Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about the time I tried to downsize and ended up upsizing my taste in the process. I walked into what I thought was a tiny house and came out ready to list it on Airbnb as the presidential suite of park models. Introducing the Eldorado 9033, the tiny house that made me question whether I've been living in a shoebox my entire life. Before I dive headfirst into granite countertops and cathedral-worthy showers, make sure to subscribe to the CampAvto channel. If you love hilarious house tours, weird RVs, and jokes that make your in-laws question your life choices, this is your place. Now, the Eldorado 9033 is technically a tiny house, but don't let that fool you. This beast is 36 feet, 11 meters long, 11.5 feet, 3.5 meters wide, and weighs enough to crush my dreams of towing it with my minivan. It's got 399 square feet, 37 meters squared, of living space, which is exactly 398 more than my first apartment. And yes, that includes a full-size kitchen with a 4-burner cooktop, XL oven, stainless steel microwave, and a fridge so big I could live in it during summer. What I like the most, that private terrace. Oh yes, the Eldorado 933's porch is only accessible through the main bedroom. That's right, a bedroom with a private terrace. Because if I'm sipping morning coffee in boxers, I'd rather not see the neighbors waving. Inside, there's a queen bed in the back, a loft for 2 kids or friends who owe you rent, and a living room with a couch upgradable to a sleeper. You could host 4 comfortably, or 6 if you're on a hugging basis. And don't even get me started on the bathroom. It has a multi-spray shower system that made me late for work twice. This luxury land yacht is currently priced at $181,000, about 167,000 euros. Sure, that's not pocket change, but with real wood cabinetry, farmhouse sinks, and a layout so smooth it could charm my grumpy neighbor Larry, I believe it's worth every penny. Under the video, you'll find a link with all the holy details, from layout diagrams to how to finance this beauty without selling your soul. And hey, if you'd like to sponsor our channel for just $1, the link is also below. That's less than the cost of the espresso I spilled when I first saw that private terrace.